Hello friends, welcome to ExcelMadeEasy. Today we will see how to find out duplicate values in a Excel column. Now this is one problem I have seen many people are facing. They are unable to find out duplicate values easily. So what they do, they try to find it out manually. If you have a very less number of values, then you can find it manually. But if you have large number of values, then finding manually will be very tedious for you. So today I have come up with a video where I would show you that how to find out duplicate values very easily. So we will make use of something called conditional formatting. Well, I have one video of conditional formatting earlier, but this time we will see conditional formatting in a different manner. That is, we will find out duplicate values using conditional formatting. Friends, the steps are very easy. What you have to do, say for example, I have this data with me. As you can see, this is an employee data where I have three columns: employee ID, employee name, and designation. Now employee ID column supposed to be a unique value column because every employee ID should be unique from one another. But I can see, or rather we all can see, that in the employee ID column we have duplicate values. So for example, E003 there is a repetition, E010 there is a repetition, and there are other repetitions as well. So this repetition is given intentionally just to find out how to get to see the duplicate values very easily. So what we do, we will first select the entire set of values under employee ID column. Then we'll go to home tab. Under home tab we'll go to conditional formatting. See, my mouse pointer is now on conditional formatting option, so I click on it. Under that drop down we have something called highlight cell rules, and under highlight cell rules we have something called duplicate values. Once I click on duplicate values, so I am getting one box where it is asking me that if I am looking for duplicate values, and if that will be highlighted or formatted with light red fill with dark red text. If you don't want this particular format, if you want to change the format, you have to click on custom format. Say for example, I just want a red fill for my duplicate values, or let's say I want a yellow fill for my duplicate values. So I click on yellow color over here and click on OK, then OK once more. So I can now see which are the duplicate values are there in my employee ID column. Those are E003, E010. So these two are the duplicate values. I can easily find out. I don't have to manually check each of the values and then come back to see what are the duplicate values I have. So friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and you are always free to write down any comment whether you liked, what changes you want, what more videos you want, so I can come up with my videos and to help you out. Thank you so much friends. Till then, bye bye.